Alright, so finally the review you're all waiting for. I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Got the Dewalt 20 volt heated jacket. There's a link in the description where you can find this. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to it. Let's check it out. So I'm mixing up the way I do my videos. We're going to go over the strong points of this Dewalt heated jacket starting right now, and then the drawbacks of this jacket. Afterwards, we'll cover the specs and the fine details of this thing. So let's get to it. Strong point number one. This jacket comes with 5 heating zones. Upper left chest, upper right chest. You've got each arm has a heating zone, and then you've got the center of your back. And man, I can feel it kicking in right now because I've got this baby turned on. Strong point number 2. This jacket comes with an LED controller, comes with a preheat feature, and it comes with 3 temperature settings. Strong point number 3, this heated jacket comes with a USB charger built right into the power brick so you can charge your devices right on the work site. Strong point number 4, both your charger and your 20 volt battery all included along with the USB adapter. Strong point number 5, this jacket is true to size, so I'm 5'10", 175 pounds, and they've got the dimensions just right. So it is a large, and sleeve length perfect. Size wise, I can layer under it. I can put on a couple of shirts, sweatshirt, whatever, small jacket under it. Should be just right. So we're good there. So strong point 6, and this is a big deal. I've done some reviews on the Milwaukee and a couple other heated jackets. So the battery pack. So on this one, they've got the pocket on the front left right here. The battery can sit in here. Now also, what's cool is they give you enough cable or enough adapter here where I've got a tool belt. You can actually undo this. You can drop the battery pack down into your tool belt right there and you can work, so you've got that freedom. Also, when you're driving a truck or vehicle or tractor or whatever, you don't have this battery in the center of your back that you're sitting there while you're trying to drive. And the other cool thing, if you prefer the battery in the back, it's actually got a pocket back here where you can put it in the back if that's where you prefer the battery. So they did give you enough cable or cord for that. Let's go over the drawbacks of the Dewalt 20 volt heated jacket starting right now. Drawback number 1 is probably battery size. I've done reviews on other heated jackets. You get some smaller batteries. The Dewalt, definitely one of the larger batteries. So without the little adapter on top of this, without this little USB adapter and the plug, it's not a bad battery. We're talking, you know, pull this off of here. So we're talking like 2 wallets maybe or something without the adapter. But you have to have the adapter to make the jacket work. So put the adapter on here. Now we're talking like, look at that baby. Talking like 3 wallets or something. That's pretty thick. Drawback number 2, normally Dewalt prides itself on being made in the USA. A jacket's made in China. Like, seriously, Dewalt? Like, I had to hunt for it on the box, and yeah. Like, seriously? Made in China. Alright, so what's the best use for the Dewalt 20 volt heated jacket? So this is made primarily for those contractors, for those people working in those cooler conditions, anybody that has to be at the job site at the butt crack of dawn, anyone that's like, say, an ATV rider, a motorcycle rider, somebody in those cold weather conditions. This is definitely the jacket for you. So one thing I neglected to mention about this Dewalt 20 volt jacket, it gives you really good mobility. You can get down on your hands and knees, you can swing a hammer, you can run a tape measure, you can run some cable or some wiring if you need to, so the sleeves aren't so heavy and it doesn't restrict your body movement. So that's a huge plus. Alright, so I'm out here cleaning out the garden beds. It's the middle of January. It's been cold, it's been raining off and on. I've got my jacket turned on to the medium setting. It's keeping me nice and toasty, I have to tell you. So this thing is doing a fantastic job. Alright, so let's go over some of the features and specs of this jacket starting right now. So this jacket is water and wind resistant. It's made of polyester. It's also got a fleece lining included in it. I don't know if you can see that very well. Nice soft fleece lining right there. So this Dewalt 20 volt heated jacket actually has 6 pockets. So it's got your battery pack pocket right here on the inside left. Just found another pocket right here on the inside left. So there's two. You've got a lower left-hand pocket right here. You can fit your entire hand in here. You've got a lower right-hand pocket right here. So that's 3 and 4. Number 5 is upper left side right here. And then number 6, there's a battery pocket in the back center of this jacket. So check this out. So if you prefer your Dewalt battery, on the back of your jacket, right here, nice big pocket right there. Drop that battery in there. It's got your plugs, everything all ready to go. It also comes with your quick charger, comes with a 20-volt battery, and it comes with this cool USB adapter. You can plug in your devices right there. And don't forget your instruction booklet. Alright, so the price on this Dewalt heated jacket is running $199.99. There's a link in the description where you can find this item. We're going to plug in our charger. Take your battery, slide that in here. Got your battery indicator lights. It says pack charging. If it's flashing, pack charged, you'll have all your lights lit up. And then you've got your hot cold delay. So one cool thing I meant to mention on the Dewalt batteries, if you're not familiar with them, they do have a battery gauge. You just hit the little button on the back of this and it will show you how much juice it has on the battery. So you get all the bars, you got all the juice. Alright, so everyone wants to know, how long does the jacket heat for? So on the lowest setting, you're going to get 8 or 9 hours. On the medium setting, you're going to get 4 or 5 hours. And on the highest setting, you're going to get 2 or 3 hours. And that's with a fully charged up DeWalt 20-volt battery. So this jacket has 3 temperature settings. You've got your low, your medium, and your high. So this DeWalt heated jacket has 5 heat zones. You've got 1 on each arm. You've got 2 on the chest right here and here. And then you've got 1 on the center of your back right about here. Nice big heat zone. Alright, so let's test this jacket out. I've got the thermometer right here. Let's see what the setting says on low, medium, and high temperature. So one thing to note in preheat mode on this jacket, the LED control button will glow off and on, and it preheats for like 5 minutes. We're going to do a quick temperature test here. So I've got the thermometer. We're going to check the countertop ambient temperature here, just so we have something to compare it to. Countertop comes in at 71.7 degrees Fahrenheit. We've got the jacket on the lowest setting possible. We're going to test the back heating element here on the jacket and see what that registers at. The back heating element registers at 82 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's on low. Let's go ahead and crank it up to medium. Alright, it's on medium. I'm going to let it sit for a minute and we'll recheck it. Okay, the Dewalt heated jacket's been on medium for about 5 minutes. Let's give it a good test here. We're going to test the same spot on the jacket, the back panel. It's coming up at 96 degrees Fahrenheit, so quite a bit warmer. Okay, time to crank it on to its hottest setting, and then we'll test it again after about 5 minutes. Let's turn it on to its highest setting. There we go. Alright, the Dewalt heated jacket's been on the highest setting for about 5 minutes now. Let's give it a test and see what temperature we've got here. We'll test the same back panel here. See what we've got. Okay, that's coming in at 107.9 degrees, nice and toasty. So overall, you're wondering, is this jacket worth your hard-earned money or not? Is this a jacket for you? I definitely say it is. I would recommend this jacket if you're somebody that has to be out on the job site at the butt crack of dawn, or that just works in a cold environment. This jacket is awesome because it's got the 5 heat zones on it. It's got the LED controller on it. Got the 3 temperatures on it. The price is right. It's super warm. I would give it 2 thumbs up. I give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. The only reason it's not getting a full 5 stars is just because of the size of the battery. It's a little bit big, but they actually fixed that problem too. You can put the battery in the front pocket. They gave you a secondary pocket. You can put the battery in the back of the jacket, or you can drop the battery down into your tool belt. So the battery really isn't an issue with this jacket. So I would recommend it. I'd go pick one of these jackets up right now if you're even on the fence about it. Alright, be sure and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the new video format that I've done today with the review right at the start, with all the strong points and then the drawbacks right at the beginning. Also, there's a link in the description where you can find this jacket. Be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys later.